Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another reaction video, and we're doing Jordan versus Bird shootout. Celtics at Bulls in 1986 and 1987. Let's get it popping, man. You know, I keep it short and sweet. We're about to get right into this video. Appreciate all love and support. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button. Let's go, man. Let's get it. We right into it. Straight right into it.
And KC's not here tonight. Jimmy Rogers takes his place. He's got the flu and the strep throat. We wish him a speedy recovery. Charles Oakley doesn't get much ink, but he's a pretty good player. Granville Waiters splits the pivot with Dave Corzine. They got Steve Coulter in a trade, and of course Jordan, and we mentioned in the open Doug Collins, the coach. Jordan hangs in the air.
We're just feeling each other out anyway to see what's going to work.
Jordan from 18. Called. Jordan one-on-one with Dennis Johnson, hangs in the air. Coulter.
That's because if we make a mistake, we forget it. We don't admit it.
We don't even know. Jordan. He's got 8. It's 8-4. He got 28 in a loss against Washington the other night. Everybody talked about what a bad game he had.
Now, that was a tough shot.
It was.
And basically, it was a power shot rather than a finesse shot.
The one game you and I worked together last year was a Boston game. You made a great point that I had never considered. So many people say Larry Bird can't jump. But you bring out he really can. Jerry Seastick. Larry Bird. From 20.
At a point, like I said, a guy like Michael Jordan gets off a good start, we might get into a scoring duel with him. Just take his shots when they come and do the things he always. That's one of the things you have to discipline yourself not to do.
Jordan quickly on the attack at the other end.
Outstanding one-on-one play that was. Because Dennis played excellent defense on him all the way. He still got a great shot there.
Oh, that was vintage Larry Bird. He's got 9.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, man. I love seeing these two go at it, man. I know people, oh man, I know this is crazy, man. Just seeing Jordan and Bird go at it, just scoring like that. Oh, that's why I saw it. I saw this video that said shootout. I said, oh yeah, I know this gotta be good.
Bird against Curitan. Wheels, left-hand deal, score it and a foul.
I think one of the reasons that Chicago's getting so many offensive rebounds is that Jordan's making them so conscious of his play. Straight move again by Bird. Jordan's making them so conscious of his play, they're not screening out.
2, 1. It's good if it goes. It does. Score it. Boston 32. Chicago.
Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be a good video. Oh my gosh.
1. It's good if it goes. It does. Score it. Boston 32, Chicago 25. Celtics against Milwaukee. Bird from 18, bottom of the basket. He's got 18.
They must have thrown the slate.
Bird has 20. Bird spins by Kieran.
Shoulder that he put into
Corzine. Fading, firing, air ball. Boy, Chicago looks awful right now, don't they? They're down by 11 with 7:05.
what the Celtics are making them do is good shot there.
Parrish again. Drills it from Bird. Wearing him out. Bird plays Jordan. Late whistle. Who's the foul going to be on? It's going to be on McHale.
And he doesn't like that.
He's a 79% free throw shooter coming in. 5 out of 5 tonight. Jordan hangs in the air. That was a nice shot. Coach Carlisle really gave him a shot. He makes them both. He's got 28. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's good if it goes. It doesn't, and the half is history. Third quarter gets underway, and Chicago needs to battle back into this thing. They've got a big crowd behind them here, but that doesn't bother Boston. Bird has 30. Jordan heads the other way with 7:15 left third quarter. Chicago needs to get hot. Dennis Johnson, the foul. There's a start. Jordan the hoop.
Because I can't tell you how important he is to this.
Bird threw it away. Jordan the interception. Shot clock, 6:45 in the period. Jordan jumps in. It won't go. Tipped in by Oakley.
To take that away from the game.
Jordan, yes. Chicago knocks at the door. The way it works. It has for the Celtics for years. Paxson, Bird got a piece of that. No whistle. Seasting against Jordan, who hustles back. Bird, that's 2-point country. Ahead of the circle, Dennis in and out. Granville Waiters the rebound. Again, they can move to within 8. Here comes Paxson. He finds Jordan.
And from the outside, Jordan is a better shooter when he takes the ball and pops it without dribbling or any flex or anything.
Again, an 8-point lead. Roberts up top. Seasting. 4:15 left third quarter. Roberts, it won't go. Rebound, Waiters knocked away. Oakley with it. They can move to within 6. Jordan hangs in the air, yes. Boston calls timeout. This place is up for grabs. Three on the shot clock. Jordan's aware of that. 12 in the quarter, 33 on the night.
That was an excellent shot.
He's a 9:55. Jordan. No foul, but scoring.
Oakley gives it over to Jordan. Now this is, I thought Jordan should have gotten a foul on this one on Robert Parrish.
Boston sends Kevin McHale back into the game, which might not be a bad idea. Bird is double teamed, dishes it off. Parrish has it knocked loose. Chicago can take the lead. It's Jordan. Off Oakley. The Bulls missed their first chance to jump on top.
Yeah, they might have been better off to pull out and up, but that was a little heavy traffic, even for Air Jordan.
Got a little wild and woolly. Sellers doing a pretty good job on Bird. He misses again. Look at that pass. Isn't that amazing?
That hurts. You get him to miss the open shot, and then he gets a chance to get a nice, easy assist.
86-83, 9 minutes left. Bill Russell, Skip Carey with you from Chicago. Oakley through the legs of Sellers.
Bad pass. A guy's 7 feet and you hit him around the ankle.
Yeah. Jordan changed it. Great shot. Great shot. Bird. Yes. He has 37. 6:20 left. Puritan against Bird. Almost once.
Almost.
Jordan goes to the base, wheels and deals. That's a brilliant shot. 94-89.
Yo, this is a crazy game, yo. Damn, so she had 45, 5 rebounds. I know they just said Larry probably might have more points at this time, but damn, this is. I wonder why I see it say shootout. This is crazy game between both of them, yo. I'm so glad I did this game. Oh, man.
How about 46? How about that?
That's fine with Boston. Chicago wants to change that. A minute 48 left in regulation. Oakley knocked away. There's a big play. Dennis Johnson out of the pack with it. If Boston scores here, that really puts some pressure on the Chicago team. Sellers jumps out on Bird. Parrish set the pick. Roll low to Parrish. Down low, McCabe. Yes. Boston just sort of tiptoed away with this one in the last couple of minutes. Once Jordan got in the open floor, they conceded him the dunk. It's over. Michael Jordan scored 48, but Boston, as they usually do, won the game 110-98.
Yo. Oh my gosh, yo, that was a crazy game, man. Oh, that was a good game. That was a good game. Oh man, that was a good game, y'all. Man, that was intense. If I could find that full game, man, that was good. I could see why I say shootout. I know they was probably going at it at the times. And man, they was going at it, bro. That was good. That's definitely good action, man. That's definitely good. But yeah, man, y'all know I keep it short and sweet. On to the next video. Appreciate all the love and support, man. Love y'all so much, man. I really appreciate it. On to the next video. Leave your comments down below. Got some documentaries dropping. Definitely got some more Larry Bird dropping. Gonna do some Michael Jordan. Gonna do some more Dominique Wilkins. It's definitely coming. It's definitely gonna be dropping real soon. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button. And I'm out of this joint, man. I love y'all. Peace.